This is another metal roof that I come to today that somebody said they had a leak on. And this stuff, in my opinion, is the stuff that belongs on a barn. This is actually a house. This is somebody's house. This is barn metal all day. Looks like they put a general basic, look at this pipe boot they put on here. That's a regular metal pipe boot, which is not what belongs here. That's supposed to be a boot that has a screw flange around it and you seal under it. Yes, ma'am. So anyway, this thing is leaking. It apparently had a tree limb fall on it during the storm. And it's on 1x, so you can only step in certain areas, and this is just about completely flat. Water's not going to run off this thing too good.
Look under there.
Yeah. And this is just crazy. There's water probably pouring in that thing right there. This is a metal roof definitely gone wrong. I don't know who the hell did this roof, but it's definitely coming apart here. This is a very flat section. Don't even know what the hell they were thinking about up under here. Don't know what they were thinking about, but that's definitely a leak. That's a leak. And the problem is I can't even get in there to put any screws in it. So I don't know sure what the hell. This is a house, people. Yeah, this is the house. Look at that lap. Looks like they got this piece of metal and 2 other pieces of metal. Then all that is exposed up there to the house. All that up under there, exposed. Look at this. What the world is going on? Look at that metal, how it's sticking up, Billy. Man, this is terrible. Yeah, I mean, this is something I'm not going to mess with because that water is pouring right in here. Pouring in here, and I really can't do anything about this roof. I can't get a screw in there, and neither could they to put a screw in it. So you can't hold the lap down, so the wind, when it blows, Billy, it's blowing right in the house. It's blowing right, just blowing up under and into the house. So they got some bad leaks. Huh?
I see white. It looks like white.
Light? Yeah, it's just some plastic something. They put stuff up here to try to stop the leak. Tape, some kind of tape. But they got a lot of problems on this metal roof. And as many problems as they have, to be honest with you, I don't think it's going to be something that I'm going to mess with. I'm really not. Huh? I don't know. I don't know. But I could never stop that leak right there. Not without taking all that metal off. That's what I would have to do. I have to take all this metal loose in order to get up under there and put screws in it. So yeah, here we go. Another stinking metal roof that somebody put on their house. This is definitely barn metal, but you can see that's coming loose. Screws are popping out. Actually, that's not a screw. That's literally a nail. Yeah, that's a nail with a grommet on it. They're barn metal roof attachments. I mean, that's what they use on a whole barn. But that's not good. Anyways, I just figured since I was here, I didn't even know I was going to another metal roof today. But I figured since I was here, I would at least show you the crap they did on this place. Crappy. Look at this. Oh my God. No wonder it's leaking. Look at that. Come on, people. Who in the hell, man? This ridge is over the top. The water's going behind it. Yeah. It's over the freaking top. So you know water's going back there. It's terrible. This was definitely a barn roof. It's coming loose. Look at this thing. I think it's something I better pass on, to be honest with you, because I don't know. They got problems going on. They got a lot of problems going on. I don't like to work on crap because I can't make. I know there's holes everywhere. Look at this. Somebody has Walking down this valley here. Somebody has removed a bunch of screws. Don't ask me why. Are they down along this edge here, Bill?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, look here. They removed screws, but left the holes. Removed the screw, left the hole. Removed the screw, left the hole. Same thing here. Basically all the way across there, they left. Damn, this is ugly. I mean, to me, they just needed to go ahead and put a roof on this thing. It's not much. So anyways, so that I don't get myself in any trouble with this kind of crap work they got going on, I'm not sure what to do. I don't think anything on this thing is done properly. So to keep myself from getting in trouble, you can see that roof right there is not made. There's a dip right there, so it's holding water right there where it's leaking. So the roof has a little dip in it, boom, boom, and water's sitting there. It can't roll off the edge. There's no way for me to fix this. They need to do something besides what talking, and that's all I could do.